Now see what is the alternate method is also given. The same construction can be done with the end point B of the line. Here the angle will be in the reverse direction. Yes, here that side also you can find out. Okay, you have to just put the 2 points. It is depend upon you on which side you have to make the angle, on that side or that side. Okay, now copying a given angle. You know that an angle can be drawn using a protractor. Now you will learn to copy a given angle using a compass and a ruler. Just to see what are the steps. Draw an angle ABC of any measure. Okay, now in an angle BAC, use A as the center of the compass. Okay, extend the other arm of the compass to any convenient length. Now draw an arc cutting AC and AB at D and E point. You just have to put the point like that. Okay, if A is the center, you just have to measure and cut both the lines. So you just have to cut both the lines and make an arc. Then in the angle BAC, E is the center of compass. E is the center on the compass. Draw another arc to cut AC at D. Okay. Now here you see between A and B, the E is there. So you just have to make E as a center and make the cut on that like that. Okay. Now in such a way that when you are cutting, you are getting a point here, that is D. And then with the same measure AE or AD and angle BAC and O as the center, draw an cutting arc OY at Y, OX at Y, and with the same measure as the arc you made from E cutting AC at D and Y as the center, draw an arc to put the previous arc at D. Okay, now join OZ. And here you get copied angle ZOX. This is the angle required is CAB. Okay, now what about the bisectors? Bisectors are the lines that divide a given line or an angle into two equal halves. Okay, so angular bisector. Lines that bisect angles are called the angular bisector. Let us bisect the angle of 60 degrees. So how you are bisecting that angle? First you have to triangle of 60 degree. Okay. After that what you have to do? You just have to put the this compass in the point B and make a arc here and one make arc here. Then after that you can make a full arc is there. Okay. You just have to make like that. If you want, you have to make a arc here also and here also. You can make a full arc. Then at that point you just have to make the same measure and you just have to make an arc from there and again the arc from there. Okay, now you are getting a point and from this point you just have to pass the line from the B. You will get the bisector of angle ABC. It is the easy method. Yes. Now, construction of 60 degree angle using a ruler and compass. How to draw the 60 degree angle? Just see. For that you have to first draw the line. After that, make with X as the center, draw an arc of any convenient radius cutting XY at A. Okay, here you have to cut and then with the same radius and A as the center, cut the previous arc at B. Now here you have to cut from this is. Then here's the point, join XB and extend beyond B. Now you will get the XY is equal to 60 degree. Okay, now see same way you have to find out have to draw the construction of 120 angle. Yes. Now see exercise, same way you have to do the construction of 90, that is 45 and 135 angle of using ruler and compass. Okay, now see, draw the following angles using protractor. Okay, here you have to use the protractor. It is a simple one. The base is given. How much the base is 8 centimeter. You just have to measure the base is 8 centimeter. Okay, it means from that you just have to draw the line segment 8 centimeter. Then angle of 45. Okay, so you just have to measure the angle of 75. Where is the 75? On any point you can put the protractor from this side also and from this side also. Okay, now this side you can see Just match the line and see, that is from 0 up to the 75. So here you have to make a point and draw the line. Okay, now in this way you have to draw the angle of 75 degree. Okay students, you know how to draw the angles. Okay, now construct angle 135 degree, copying the angle using ruler and compass. You know how to draw the 135? Yes. Now draw the following angles using a protractor and bisect them using compass and ruler. Okay, that just see the first one. Draw the following angles using a protractor. Okay, for 148. So base is not given, so you just have to simple make the base of 5 or 6. From here is to 6. Okay, now this is a line segment of 6. Then after that you have to draw an angle of 148. Where is the 148? Put the point as there. And from that it is a 90, 10, 30, 40, 148. So here is the angle 148. Okay, now what you have to do, you just have to bisect the angle. For bisecting the angle, you just make an arc. The arc which cuts both the lines, that is this and this also. Okay, now taken some distance in that, you just have to draw an arc. Okay, now in this way, again using the same distance, you just have to put the here and again put the second point is here. Okay. Now here is the point where the two are joining. So from this you just have to bisect the arc. Here is the point. Now name the angle A, B, here is the C and here is the D. Okay, now see 148. So what is the half of 148? That is 74. So it is the angle of 74. Just measure it. Yes, you can see here it is the angle of 74. So your bisector is correct. Okay, now construct the angle 60 degree with the, write down the method of construction. You just have to write down construction means first draw the line, then what you are done, and at last you just put the compass with the help of compass and with the help of protractor how you are drawing the 60 and 90 degree angles. Okay, so all the questions are given are same, you just have to write and understood. Okay students, now moving to the next one. Bisecting a line segment using a ruler and compass. So lines are bisected by dropping perpendicular as their midpoint. So given below are the steps to bisect a line segment. Draw a line segment of length 8 cm. Mark the end point A and B. Then with the A as the center, draw an arc radius more than half of AB and above and below AB. The same step should be followed with the B as the center and same length of the radius, and let the arcs cut each other P and Q. So how you are drawing? Just see here. Okay, now what is the step 3? Join PQ. This line divides the line AB into two equal parts, two equal halves at O, and therefore AO is equal to OB is equal to 4 and 4 centimeter. These two halves can be further bisected to equal halves of 2 centimeter each, and process can be continued further. Okay, so are you understood student how to bisect the line segment using a ruler and compass? Yes. Now see what about the perpendiculars. A perpendicular is a line of an angle of 90 degree to a horizontal line or surface. Perpendiculars can be drawn on a given line at different positions with the help of ruler and compass or a pair of set squares. Okay. Now construction of perpendicular on a line through a point on it using a set squares. You know the set squares are there in your compass box. So how you are drawing the, how you are do the construction? Just see here. First you have to draw the line AB. Then select a point O here, then set square horizontally along AB, and then set square should be kept fixed. Okay, now in this way you have to fix it. Then place the other set square along the edge of the first set square so as to slide easily against the other. So on this side you have to put the second one. Starting from A, slide the second set along the first one to reach O. Draw perpendicular along the edge of the second set square O. In this way you have to just slide it and name the perpendicular OX. Here we have the perpendicular OX at O on AB line. Okay. See, construction of perpendicular to a line through a point not on it. If the line is not on it, how you are drawing the perpendicular? Just see here. It is given by step 1. Draw a line AB of required length. Consider any point O outside the line AB. Then place the set square horizontally along AB. This should be kept fixed. Then place the other set square along the edge of the first set square so as to slide easily along the other. Then starting from the A, slide the second set square along the first one to reach O. Then when the sliding set square reaches O, draw a perpendicular along its edge. Name the perpendicular OD. So OD is the perpendicular on AB. Okay, now in this way you have to draw the construction of the perpendicular. Okay, now construction of perpendicular of a line through a point on it using a ruler and compass. Now see, if the point is there on a line, okay, so how you are doing? You just have to, what you have to do, you just have to make a okay. Now if the point is on the line, so you just have to make that. First you have to make the point here and the distance is more than half, and make the two arc here. One is here and one is here. Okay, now see, same distance is there. You just have to measure and make the one arc here, and then again cut this at the point that here. Here you have to cut the point and then draw the sector. Just see here. For that, what you have to do, you just have to measure the 3/4 of the that distance, and then make the two arc from that side, and from this arc you just have to measure again 3/4 and make an arc on the upper side and on the lower side, and then make the 2 points and join the line. Okay, now this is the steps you are given. How to draw the line, how to draw the perpendicular to a line, through a point on it using a ruler and a compass. Now see the next one. Construction of perpendicular bisector of the line given using a ruler and compass. So to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line AB, draw a line segment AB of the given length. Okay, just you have to draw the line segment of AB, then with A and B as a center and radius more than half, draw two arcs above the line segment AB to intersect at P. Okay, now here you have to put and draw the make it as a half of that radius, and then you just have to draw like that. Here half, more than half, and make arc here, then you just have to join. Okay, now in this way you have to bisect the line. Then exercise 12.3 is given there. Bisect a line segment of length 7 cm. Write down the steps of construction. Okay, so you just see here how to bisect the line segment 7 cm. So first you have to draw the 7 cm line. Yes, started from that is from 0 to 7. Okay, now name it as anything you can give, that is AB. Then how you are draw the perpendicular line segment of 7 cm. Just see the point here. You just have to put and make the distance of more than half. Then make a point here and again here, and then from A you just have to make the here and here. Okay, now you will getting the 2 points. Here is the point and here is again the point. You just have to join this. Now in this way you have to bisect the line of, it is 3.5 and 3.5. Okay, yes, now you can see it is clearly because it is of 3.5, so it is a 3.5 and it is a 3.5. Okay, now name anything there. Now so the construction steps you have to write by your own, students. Draw a perpendicular on a line segment 5 cm at a distance of 2 cm from the end point. Okay, so here again you have to do the same thing. Divide the line segment of 10 cm and into 4 equal parts. Means if you have taken the line of 10 cm, first you have to divide into the, here you have to take the line segment of 10 cm. Okay, here is the 10 cm. Then first is to divide into the more than half. Just see, okay, now it is divided into the 2 parts, means it is 5 and 5. Now you can see this is the 5 cm, that's the 5 cm again. Then again you have to, this is the 2 part, you have to divide into the, how much parts are there? Yes, 4 equal parts. Okay, again 5 divided into the 2 equal parts. Make the same procedure for that. Here is the point, so make the distance of more than half. Yes, make the arc here, again here, then put this there and again here. Now same for that. Okay, now draw the line. Okay, now in this way you have to divide in a 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 4. Just measure the line, it is 2.5. yes, yes, it is a, just see here, it is just 2.5, again 2.5, again 2.5, and here is the 10. Okay, now in this way you are divided the, you can write it as A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now he just, the distance is 2.5, 2.5 and again 2.5. Are you clear, students? Yes. Yes, draw a bisector for a segment line of 6.8 cm, and what is the length of each segment? So you just have to divide it, and it is the 3.4 for each. Okay, now, so students, with the end of this exercise 12.3, we have completed our chapter number 12, that is construction. I hope all the topics in the construction chapter you will understand very well. How to draw the line segment using compass and ruler. Yes, how to divide the yes, how to draw the perpendicular, then how to do the angle bisector. All these things you have learned very well. So thank you so much for attending the class. Next we are meeting in our next class. Thank you so much, students.